Let us see how nature maintains a balance of gases. All living beings use oxygen and throw out carbon dioxide. Photosynthesis is the process that maintains the balance of oxygen and carbon dioxide in the air. Plants use up carbon dioxide and produce oxygen during photosynthesis. Respiration and photosynthesis basically maintains the balance of gases in the air. Balance between organisms. It is very important to maintain a balance between organisms in nature. For example, if no carnivores ate rabbits in a particular region, rabbits would multiply very fast. They would eat up all the grass and there would be none left for them and for other herbivores too. Besides, the roots of the grass hold the soil together. If rabbits ate up all the grass, the soil would get washed away by the rain, and this would cause soil erosion, and the soil will become infertile. So, it's very important to maintain a balance between organisms. Balance of soil minerals. When plants and animals die, microorganisms decompose them and return the minerals to the soil. So, without microorganisms and other decomposers like earthworm, the soil would run out of minerals used by plants. Water cycle. The continual movement of water from the earth to the air and back is called the water cycle. Many processes involved in the water cycle, such as evaporation, condensation, precipitation, etc. This is nature's way of maintaining the balance of water. Without this, the soil would become dry and plants would not get water. Dear children, this is all for today. Read the lesson from the book, and if you have any of the queries, you can ask us during the query time. Thank you. Have a nice day.